This is Gary Guyman with the Dominate the Day podcast. The purpose of this podcast is to help you get 1% better in your business, provide clarity, and give you some ideas that will help you grow your business. If you're ready to dominate the day, let's go.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know we're here to dominate the day. So if you want to dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.
Gary Guyman with Dominate Partners, and it's time. It is that time. It's time to dominate the day. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's make something happen. Yesterday I talked about the number one problem that most small business owners face: customer acquisition, finding new customers. We're in a series of the struggles that small business owners deal with, and said yesterday it'd be 8 or 9. It's going to be 9. I think I got 9. I got 9 struggles we're going to talk about. Today's struggle number 2, and kind of goes along with yesterday, but it takes the next step, and that is brand awareness. If your customers don't know who you are, how are they going to buy from you? Statistics show that in terms of success, 70% of those building an audience find that that's more valuable than direct sales. And because of this, your primary goal for marketing campaigns should be building awareness. Now, building awareness should also contribute to lead acquisition, which will contribute to customer acquisition, but you have to make people aware of your brand. If you focus on building brand awareness, you're going to generate trust with your audience. They're going to associate your brand with your service, and those factors will help drive referrals and sales in your market. And look, if you are in a if you are in a space where there is a large competitor or a large brand name competitor that's a household name, you have to do things that are a little outside the box. The first thing you need to do is you need to utilize social media effectively and consistently. Look, if you're not telling people about your brand, then they're not going to know about it. Yeah, but I post a couple times a week. Not enough. Look, your audience doesn't see all your posts. Look, Facebook limits it because, hey, and every social media platform limits it because they want you to pay for the ads. So if you have 1,000 followers on Facebook, 3 to 5% are going to see your post. That's 30 to 50 people are going to see your post. So if you post a couple times a week, you might get to 100 people of your following to see your post. If you're posting 5 times a day, you have the ability for the entire audience, your entire following, to see that post on a weekly basis, maybe twice a week. But if you're only posting once or twice, 3 times a week, they're not going to see your content. They're not going to know what it is you do. Another thing you need to be doing is looking for opportunities to broaden your reach, become the expert in your field. There is a site, helpareporterout.com, HARO, and you can go to this website. Journalists, authors are writing stories and building content, and they need expert input. And so what they do is they'll list what kind of story they're writing and who they're looking for to provide some input. If you provide input and they use it, then you're going to get a link to your website, number one, a link back to your social media, and you're going to begin to build yourself as a credible source in your marketplace. So pushing brand awareness, while customer acquisition is important, building brand awareness is the key for you to promote your company, promote your services, and dominate the market, dominate the day.
Dominate the day, that's what we're about to do. If you don't want to dominate, then this podcast ain't for you. But if you are, then keep listening, cause every single damn day, the mission is to dominate. You already know We're here to dominate the day. So if you wanna dominate every day, then let's go, it's time to grow. This is another episode of Dominate the Day.